Hey AQR virtual learners, I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour of the Moodle page on where you're going to be able to find everything that you need as you start your journey with virtual learning. So the first thing is I've added this icon to the top of my Moodle page, and this should be on all of your teachers' Moodle pages, but when you click on that icon, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to this student help page. And I would just follow the directions on here. Like you need to be logging into Edgenuity every single day. That is how you're getting marked present for your classes. And so in here it suggests that for you to log into your Moodle and Edgenuity during the time your class period would be meeting if you were on campus. And then follow the directions right here to get into your class for the very first time tomorrow. And then also your content teacher, that's of course me. And so this is what I will be responsible for. And then you also have access to a support teacher on campus. And so they should be notifying you pretty quickly on who that is. And this is what your support teacher is in charge of. So kind of keep that in mind if you have a question over content. Or your attendance or something like that, you can reach out to me. But if you have a question about Edgenuity and opening up something in Edgenuity, or just communication, just basic communication or tech support, then you can reach out to your support teacher. Okay, the other thing that I have added to the Moodle page is if you scroll down, okay, normally when we were in person or when we were all virtual, we were following this weeks at a glance. You will still have access to that as a virtual learner, so you can use the support resources that are on that page. But I've also added this toggle right here for virtual learners, and that will only be visible to you guys. And we're going to add a weeks at a glance each week on what you need to complete in Edgenuity. So these items that are listed right here, you want to make sure that you are completing those in Edgenuity each day, because that's what we'll be checking. As always, if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out to me or Miss Spossick.